Hello, I'm T. Hoffmann. I'm the managing principal here at Law Strategy Coach, and welcome to another 2-Minute Tuesday. I want to talk to you today about the importance of client testimonials and case studies. Now, when we think about these, many of you think about those kinds of client testimonials as being a little cheesy. But I will tell you that as time has gone by, more and more people pay a lot of attention to reviews. I mean, let's face it, how many of you check Yelp before you go to a new restaurant? Or on Amazon, check the stars and see what people are saying about a product before you purchase it. Now, you may be thinking, well, lawyers are different because we've got great reputations. And to some extent, you might be right. But statistically, 73% of clients, law firm clients, will pay attention to a case study or a testimonial that was written within the last 30 days. They also pay attention to the awards we get and things like that, but that's for another time. I will also say to you that client testimonials, if they're done correctly, and case studies, if they're done correctly, can help eliminate some of the risk that people feel in picking up the phone and giving your firm a call. Why is that? Well, nobody wants to be the first to call you, especially if you are an individual trying to call a lawyer. If you're a GC trying to call a lawyer, you want to know that the firm that you're calling has actually handled these types of matters in the specific type of industry that you're in, and case studies can come in very handy in that situation. Now, a case study is a longer kind of story and gives more details about a particular matter. Obviously, you have to have the client's permission and participation to do both testimonials and client case studies, but I will tell you that these become very powerful tools in your arsenal. They establish your experience and expertise and make your firm kind of feel like you want people to know how great you are. You know, they really will stand out, especially if they're done correctly. Your case study should probably not be longer than 4 paragraphs. Your testimonial, probably not any longer than 3 sentences. You also need to make sure that you follow all of the ethical guidelines. Can't say that, T. Hoffmann is an expert or she's a certified XYZ. If I'm not, in fact, a certified XYZ, you can say things like, she is a great listener, she responds quickly, etc. Those things are okay. Now, make sure again that you check with your state bar association about any ethical considerations, and don't hesitate to also use video when you're thinking about case studies or testimonials. They're very powerful, and people will become more and more visual over time, especially if they're under 40 years old. So remember that as well. Now, I hope you'll check out our online training at lawstrategycoach.thinkific.com. That's lawstrategycoach.thinkific.com. We've got a great fall special going on right now. I look forward to seeing you again next week on another 2-Minute Tuesday.